after two youngsters in Pune, Anis and Ashwini, lost their life in an accident. The accused in this case was granted bail by a Pune court. The accused in this case is a 17 years 8-month old teenager. In fact, the grounds for his bail application was the fact that he is a minor. However, the court, when passing the order, added four conditions to his very bail. One was that he has to work with traffic police for 15 days. Apart from that, he has to write an essay on the accident, and he also has to seek a doctor's help and psychiatric treatment. This was also to help combat his drinking problem. The Pune Police Commissioner in this case has confirmed that the accused in this case was under the influence of alcohol. In fact, the FIR in this case mentions sections 3042. Apart from that, 279, 337 and 338. According to these sections, he's been charged for culpable homicide not amounting to murder, but also charged with rash driving and rash driving causing death, apart from the Motor Vehicles Act. Because he was a juvenile in this case, his father has been charged under Juvenile Justice Act section 75 and 77. Apart from that, the bar owner has also been charged with Juvenile Justice Act section 75 and 77. This was because he served alcohol to a person who was below the permissible limit to consume alcohol. Now, all of these people would further be investigated by Pune Police, but right now in this case, what the Pune Police Commissioner Amitesh Kumar has said is that they are approaching the higher court in order to ensure that the accused in this case should not get a bail. In fact, his bail should be cancelled, and further he should be tried as an adult because he was just 4 months short of the adult age, and a heinous crime was committed by him. In this case, the Pune police has also examined CCTV footages of various locations. In fact, the CCTV footage of the time when the accident took place is also out, which really shows that at around 3 a.m., which is the wee hours of Sunday morning, was when the accused in this case, the teenager, was returning from partying. He was in fact at Koregaon Park, where he was partying in a pub, and then he headed towards Kalyani Nagar. When he was heading towards Kalyani Nagar, he rammed into the bike which was carrying two of these victims, that is Anis and Ashwini. And Ashwini was thrown 20 feet high, whereas Anis, who was riding the bike, fell on a nearby parked vehicle and he lost his life. Both of them died on the spot. After that, he in fact rammed into a Maruti Swift Desire and eventually bumped his car into a divider on the road. In this case, in fact, the further investigation has also revealed that there was a driver which was sitting behind, and which is where he would also be questioned by the Pune police. Further investigation would also reveal whether the accused in this case was under the influence of the alcohol, because his blood samples have also been collected. They've been sent for forensic examination. Also, details emerge from the CCTV refer to the fact that the Porsche that he was driving did not have a number plate. That is another offence that the father of the accused could be tried with, because one, that the accused did not have a valid driving license. Second, he was driving under the influence of alcohol. Third, also that the Porsche did not have a valid number plate. In fact, the investigation in this case reveals that after scoring in his CBSE 12th examination, the accused along with his friends had gone to party at Koregaon Park, from where he was returning. In fact, he was also celebrating the fact that his family had bought a new Porsche.